organizing committee, I officially declare the launch of AICE 8, Jamaica, Montego Bay, 13 to the 17th of June. We'll see you there. Thank you so much.
This event, organized around the theme, Zones, your partners for resilience, sustainability, and prosperity, and you know how I love that last word, will be held at the Montego Bay Conference Center. Jamaica looks forward to hosting this conference, and we can't wait to welcome the nearly 1,500 guests from every part of the world who will be visiting our beautiful shores. Jamaica will be showcased as an ideal location for special economic zone investment and provide a significant injection to our tourism destination plan. The event will also serve to introduce new people to our exciting tourism product while exhibiting brand Jamaica to future investors. This will further our goal of attracting major opportunities for the development of large-scale, modern, special economic zones, and we're thinking about pharmaceuticals.
Let's look at it this way. Firstly, when you have these larger multinational organizations operating from zones in Jamaica, there are goods and services that they must buy in Jamaica. And what we are doing at the Special Economic Zone Authority and a little wider through our ministry is to ensure that there are linkage programs established that when these investors are operating from Jamaica, that when these multinational corporations are operating from Jamaica, they are purchasing certain goods and services from the local economy.
What we will do in Montego Bay, 13 to the 16th of June. We will deal with 5 topics. 4 are hot topics of our industry, and the 5th, will be the game changer, the differentiator, where Jamaica will leave its footprint. The 4 hot topic, global value chain. We failed to have a global trade order, and today, do you know how many multilateral and bilateral trade agreements? 600. And this is not making trade efficient, is not making trade facilitator, is not helping you in your business. And we'll try to find a solution. The second topic is today a reality, e-commerce. Nobody can escape on it. But we would like to have, let me say, an inclusive e-commerce. Inclusive meaning internet penetration to everybody, small and medium enterprises rule, no counterfeit, no illicit trade, and respect to the intellectual property right. The 4th topic, which is our common duty, sustainability. How these units in which we represent and we work in can contribute to the global sustainability. The 4th hot topic, which will affect us in 2023, the OECD announced in September a new global taxation system.
The modern free zone accommodates broadcast management, event management, film production and post-production, media and marketing services, music and entertainment. There is also the exciting prospect of new media, which covers activities such as photography, web design, and broader digital media services, including the creation and management of mobile phone applications. So as we look forward to the 8th staging of AICE, I thank the World Free Zone Organization and our local and international partners and our expected participants for their confidence in Jamaica. Simply put, we recognize that the accelerated economic development of Jamaica will come through the development of our entertainment, cultural, and creative industries.
This conference then is not going to be an ordinary conference, bringing together the free zone practitioners and investors from across the world. It must be a conference in which we look at how the future will emerge and how we're going to respond to these disruptions caused by what we call the anthropause. And Jamaica is the center of that. And we are excited to be the place where the world is going to consider what that future will look like. We want to establish a global, well, in our case in the region, I call it a regional tourism supplies logistics center. And that we want to be inserted in the free zones so that we can be manufacturing the goods that are required. So through technology, we can be creating the basis for the marketing and the technological connectivity that is required so that we can deal with procurement. We could bring supplies into Jamaica and then to add value to it and move it into other parts of the Caribbean. This is the time to look at nearshoring as a critical way of tapping into the supply disruption that has enabled us through the anthropause. So it's an exciting moment for us. And so we see this conference as a game changer.